The film opens with a scene of SWAT weapons and gear neatly arranged. Bullets are thrown perfectly into a cup, and it's none other than SWAT member SEAL X sitting there lost in thought. Nearby, two robbers are observing SEAL X, discussing their plan before taking action.
Hold on.
SEAL X continues to toss bullets into the cup.
Oh, yeah.
After finishing, he grabs the cup and walks away. The two robbers see their chance and approach SEAL X,
Come on.
stealing the weapons left behind.
Do it. Hurry up. Hey, faster.
SEAL X returns, and the robbers, seeing him, quickly flee.
Go.
SEAL X swiftly raises his gun and fires, but they manage to escape. Furious at being unable to stop them, SEAL X turns around to find most of the weapons and his armor gone. SEAL X sits down thinking for a moment. He takes out a special bracelet and puts it on, then grabs two weapons and sets out for battle. SEAL X searches for the two robbers everywhere, using his extraordinary speed to run. Meanwhile, the boss and his henchmen are at their base admiring the stolen weapons. SEAL X spots the two robbers and quickly draws his weapon, firing at them. The robbers grab weapons and fight back against SEAL X. The boss, hearing gunfire from upstairs, orders his henchmen to check it out. SEAL X fires back, killing one of the robbers. The other, seeing this, quickly runs away. But in no time, SEAL X catches up and kills the remaining robber. SEAL X approaches the dead robber and retrieves the stolen weapons. From upstairs, the boss and his henchmen fire down at him, forcing SEAL X to take cover.
Let's go.
Without hesitation, SEAL X charges forward, firing back at the criminals. SEAL X is forced to retreat under the intense attack from the boss, who continues to chase him and fire. The battle is intense and brutal. Fortunately, SEAL X runs out of bullets. He suddenly remembers the bracelet and presses a button, summoning another gun. leaving one of the robbers dead. The other robber continues to advance and fire at him. Seal X uses a special technique to kill the remaining robber. The boss enraged fires wildly at Seal X. Seal X quickly presses a button on his wand, using a magical ability to get closer to the boss. A shot rings out, leaving the boss severely wounded. When Seal X approaches, the boss has vanished. Seal X is furious that he has lost track of the boss and angrily storms off. Meanwhile, the severely wounded boss hiding behind some nearby bushes also manages to escape.